But this is going to be a big change after this. We might even start this today. Start pulling out all this tile. We're going to pull out this old tub, and we're just going to have a shower here. I've already ordered we actually have the shower pan in the garage. The shower doors should be here in the next couple weeks. And we're just going to do a gray tile in here. Got a new dual flush toilet. I've got a vanity for this and a vessel sink on the way. And then we're going to try to probably put, I'd like to do a little custom bench top for this. And then we'll just have, I don't know what we'll have for the mirror light situation. My brother Eyes and his son Hojo crushed the demo. And of course it wasn't pretty. We had a lot of rot and decay behind the wall, but what we hadn't anticipated was this. Ants. We rocked the world of these ants who had hitherto been enjoying a blissful existence in the moist environs of the bathroom wall. After all that toiling, my brother had to take a moment to contemplate life and the universe. The situation under the tub was even worse than the walls, necessitating some serious structural and subfloor work. We shored everything up and proceeded by piecing in some new subfloor. We added new drains and it was on to the shower pan. We added a new valve and supply lines for the shower, and then it was time to cut out the window. We insulated and added a prefab shower niche and installed the cement board. We sealed that with red guard. And hey, this is northern Wisconsin, so you gotta have radiant heat. We redid some of the electric, textured and painted, and finally it was ready for tile. I decided to keep the old vanity and just shore it up and spray paint it. I made a custom countertop for the vessel sink out of wood that I found in the forest, milled up, glued up, and then epoxied with a pouring epoxy. More details to come in the link above.
This is a momentous occasion because this is when we install the 1.1 to 1.6 dual flush elongated bowl comfort height commode.
A few final touches and we were good to go. Glass block window right there. Right?
Dad, there's a queen in there.
There probably is, yeah, it's a colony.
Right there.